Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CloudPC to access SPSS statistical software so that you can complete the homework problems that require you to use this software. Specifically, we're going to learn how to launch CloudPC, how to find and open homework datasets in SPSS, and how to print SPSS output that you will have to attach to your homework problems. Briefly, what CloudPC does is it streams a university computer onto your computer using the internet connection. That gives you access to all statistical and other software that the university subscribes to. So you need internet connection to launch CloudPC. To launch CloudPC, you have to go to My BSU, go to the intranet, and then select Services at the top. In Services, you see this icon for CloudPC. Click on it. You will be asked to sign in, so just use your login and password. Then you'll be asked to, once you sign in, this should bring you to this screen. Your options will be different, so yours will say Student. So click the icon that says Student. Make sure that your pop-up blocker is disabled. If your pop-up blocker is not disabled, this window will not appear. So once it appears, just press OK, and so CloudPC will start loading. Again, you need internet connection for CloudPC to load. So what it's doing is essentially streaming another computer onto your computer. One challenge with that is that you do not have access to the hardware that's in your computer. So once the application launches, you essentially see another desktop in your web browser. And this is your CloudPC. So first thing we need to do is we need to access the data set that we need for homework. I put all of the data sets on Blackboard. So you want to open Blackboard, but within this CloudPC window. So once you're on Blackboard, go ahead and go to Datasets. In the datasets, at the very top, I have Gao textbook datasets where I put the data for all of the different chapters. So you see that it's organized by chapter. So how do I know which dataset I need? Let's take homework 10, for example, in chapter 3. So you see this is one of the homeworks that requires you to use SPSS software. The name of the dataset appears in each of the homework problems. So the name of a file with SAV extension is the data set that you need to find. So we'll go on Blackboard, go to chapter 3, and you see that the data sets are labeled in the same exact way here as they are in the book. So we're going to need the City Police for chapter 3 data set for homework 10. So we're going to go click on it. And you see that if you're using Chrome, it automatically starts to download in the left bottom corner. If you're using Internet Explorer, it's going to go into your downloads folder. So you need to download this data set. Once the data set downloads, you can just click on it, and the data will automatically begin to open. So here's my open SPSS data set. I expand it. So for your homework problems, you'll have to do various types of analysis. The results of all the analysis appear in what's called the output window. It opens automatically when you ask SPSS to do anything. So I'll just do a quick example and do a frequency analysis of forfeiture variable here. So you see output window automatically opens. So it's these results in the output window that you need to attach to your homework. Now, there's a couple of different ways of doing this. One thing you can do is you can save this file as a PDF. So you can go to File, choose Print, and then instead of sending it to a printer, choose the print to PDF and press OK. It will ask you where you want to save this file, so you can just save it on a desktop. So you see the file saved right there. You can email this file to yourself, so open up email in CloudPC, email it as an attachment, and print it out later. You cannot save and email yourself the SPSS output file because you need SPSS software to open this file. But saving it as a PDF will ensure that you can print it. If you did not want to save the file as a PDF, another thing you can do is take a picture of this output with your cell phone and then print this picture for me and then attach that to your homework. Alternatively, you could also copy these results by hand, but some of the tables we're going to work with will include a lot of information, and I just don't want you to be wasting time writing this stuff out by hand when really it's much easier to just take a picture or save it as a PDF. That's it. Thank you very much for listening.